Now we have a 2011 VW Tiguan 2.0 turbo. The water pump was leaking so bad. From here you can see the spots. So in order to replace the water pump, we have to take off the intake manifold, which is about 6 hours for replacement of that, and the water pump located right here and joined with that belt and that gear. So I have the water pump here, which is I already took it out. It was broken from here, right here, this gasket in this spot, and was leaking so bad. The car was overheat, and we have to check it out after put it back the water pump and see if the car running well or something wrong happened with the car or not.